In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate ClickFunnels with Shopify. So first head over to apps.shopify.com and of course make sure that you're logged into your Shopify account. Then next in the search bar, simply type in ClickFunnels, press enter. Then next is look for the app named Clickify Pro for ClickFunnels and click on it. Now click on the install button. Now start installing the app by once again pressing install. And now click on subscribe to activate the app. So as you can see, this app is not free and you need to pay $29, but you can enjoy 30 days free trial for first time users. So here all you have to do is proceed with the transaction and press approve. And once the payment is done, your Shopify account will instantly be connected with your ClickFunnels account. And from there, you can start customizing your funnel product settings and select your Shopify product that you want to sell inside your funnel. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!